Hi everyone, my name's Galena Vandermeer. This is my first YouTube video. So I just want this channel to kind of be a place that I can have fun, share some thoughts, share some things about health and fitness. I graduated from college with a degree in dance and also a degree in elementary education. So I'm also a first grade teacher. Alright everyone, so for my first video, I created a storage system idea. I was having limited space in the bathroom to be able to keep all my girl products, so I wanted to be able to have something to be able to put all of my stuff, but also have we don't have a big countertop, so I was having issues everything I'd set on the counter and then be falling into this thing, so it was not working. So I created, I'll show you, but I created something with a countertop, kind of like a countertop, to be able to put my items on, and right now it's working pretty well. I've been using it for about a weekish now and I'm really enjoying it. So this is what I created. It is a 3-tier organizer, and then there's the top on it so I can keep all of my products. Tried my best to organize it, and then I also have some storage containers in there where I couldn't fit everything. Then all I have to do is roll it. So I just roll it around. I can roll it right into the bathroom and then roll it right back. It's working great. So on the top one, I'll this. On the top layer, I kind of, looks a little messy right now because I was using it this morning, but I put my foundation powders, my primers, and some Q-tips for me to be able to use, the products that I use at night, and then just this is kind of a random one, and then my highlighters, and then some moisturizers, and bobby pins, another moisturizer I use at night. This, I love this, it's the Color Switch, just got that, I've been using that, and some chapsticks. This time, and lotions, foundations in the back, all my brushes, and then I have, this one is eyeliners. These are mascaras. Then I kind of have my eye shadow makeup there, and then cleansing to be able to clean my brushes. And then I haven't used this a lot, but I used to use it a bunch, and I brought it out so I would start to use it again. And then all my sponges. And then down here I had eyebrow items, concealers, and then lip items with chapsticks too. And then face toner, another face toner. This is all hair stuff, more hair stuff in the back. Yeah, pretty much all hair stuff down. So I found that I have been putting this so that I can get the stuff inside. I've been putting it on its side, and then if I need to use this stuff, I pull it out and put it up top, and I can put it back, and then I just sort of move it from side to side when I need items in the bathroom. Now I'm going to talk to you guys about how I built it and organized it. So I started by putting together the 3-tier cart. I did have to put the wheels on at the end. My cat helped me. And I got this from Michael's. I think it was about $30 for the cart. And then I also got the topper, which I'll show you. And that, I believe, was $10. My plan was to use the topper for a counter space, which worked really well. And here's the countertop. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or any feedback for my first video, go ahead and post in the comments below.